Eggs are one of the healthiest foods you can eat. They contain over 20 essential nutrients, including protein, vitamins, and healthy fats, which are great for muscle repair, brain function, and heart health. But most people fear them because they think they'll raise cholesterol or cause heart disease. In this video, I'll reveal the best ways to cook eggs so they're not only delicious but also beneficial for your health, and how you can avoid the common myths about eggs. And if you love fried eggs or scrambled eggs, make sure you watch the entire video because I'll also reveal the best cooking oils to use so you can cook your eggs the healthiest way possible. This video will help you enjoy eggs without worrying about the health risks. Before we start, let me know where you're joining us from, and if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, arugula, and Swiss chard are some of the most nutrient-dense foods on the planet. They hold within them a wealth of vitamins and minerals that the body craves, especially as we age. Vitamin K, essential for maintaining strong bones and preventing fractures, a major concern as the years pass. Lutein and zeaxanthin, two powerful antioxidants that protect your vision, helping to prevent cataracts and macular degeneration. Folate, a key vitamin that supports brain function, helping to keep memory sharp and reduce cognitive decline. Nitrates, natural compounds that gently lower blood pressure, supporting a healthy heart and better circulation. But here's something many people don't realize. To fully absorb these nutrients, your body needs a source of healthy fat, and that's where eggs come in. Eggs contain beneficial fats that allow your body to unlock the full potential of leafy greens. Many of the vitamins found in greens, like vitamin K, vitamin A, and lutein, are fat-soluble, meaning they need fat to be properly absorbed. Without this pairing, your body may struggle to reap the full benefits of these powerful nutrients. Eggs and avocado. Eggs and avocado, when eaten together, create a nutritional powerhouse that supports both heart health and brain function. Eggs are an incredible source of high-quality protein, which helps maintain muscle strength and prevent frailty as we age. They're also rich in choline, a nutrient that plays a critical role in memory and brain health. In fact, research has shown that people with higher choline intake perform better on cognitive tests and have a lower risk of dementia. Avocados, on the other hand, are packed with heart-healthy monounsaturated fats, which help lower bad cholesterol, LDL, and support circulation, keeping blood flowing smoothly to your brain and heart. They're also one of the best sources of potassium, containing even more than bananas. Potassium is essential for keeping blood pressure in check, reducing the risk of heart disease and strokes. But here's where the magic happens. When you combine eggs with avocado, the healthy fats in avocado enhance the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins found in eggs. Vitamins A, D, E, and K. These vitamins are essential for immune support, bone strength, and overall longevity. Many seniors don't get enough vitamin D, which can lead to weaker bones, a higher risk of falls, and even depression. So this simple breakfast swap can make a world of difference. Eggs and mushrooms. Mushrooms are nature's quiet healers. Unlike the bright, colorful vegetables we often hear about, mushrooms work behind the scenes, packed with nutrients that strengthen the body at a cellular level. One of their secret weapons is beta-glucans, special compounds that wake up your immune system, helping it respond more efficiently to infections. A study published in the Journal of the American College of Nutrition found that people who eat mushrooms regularly have stronger immune responses and lower levels of chronic inflammation, which is key because inflammation is one of the hidden culprits behind aging, heart disease, and even cognitive decline. But mushrooms don't stop there. They contain ergothioneine, a rare and powerful antioxidant that protects your cells from damage, especially in the brain. You know those moments when you walk into a room and forget why? Or when a familiar name is just out of reach? Scientists now believe that foods rich in ergothioneine may help slow cognitive decline and reduce the risk of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. Now, combine that with eggs, one of the richest sources of choline, a nutrient essential for memory, nerve function, and brain health. Choline helps keep the brain's communication lines strong, ensuring that your thoughts remain sharp and your memories stay intact. Together, eggs and mushrooms form a brain-boosting powerhouse, feeding your mind with exactly what it needs to stay resilient. There's another quiet battle happening inside our bodies: the slow loss of bone strength. Aging naturally reduces bone density, and while we often hear about calcium's role in keeping bones strong, there's a missing piece of the puzzle: vitamin D. Without it, the body struggles to absorb calcium properly, leaving bones fragile and more prone to fractures. Mushrooms are one of the only natural plant sources of vitamin D, making them a simple and effective way to protect bone health without relying solely on supplements. This is especially important because as we age, our skin becomes less efficient at producing vitamin D from sunlight. By adding mushrooms to your diet, you're supporting your bones naturally, helping to maintain strength and stability for years to come. Eggs and pumpkin. Pumpkin is no ordinary vegetable. It holds within its golden orange flesh a rich reserve of beta-carotene, the very pigment that gives it its autumn glow. But this color is more than just beauty. It's a sign of deep nourishment. Once inside the body, beta-carotene transforms into vitamin A, a crucial nutrient that plays a direct role in immune function, eye health, and even skin repair. As we age, the body's ability to absorb and utilize nutrients efficiently declines, making it all the more important to choose foods that provide the greatest benefit in the gentlest way. And pumpkin is just that, a soothing, nutrient-dense ally. But pumpkin's power doesn't stop there. Within its soft fibers lies a key to gut health: soluble fiber, the kind that feeds the beneficial bacteria in the digestive system. And why does this matter? Because the gut isn't just responsible for digestion, it is the very foundation of our immune system. In fact, nearly 70% of immune function is housed in the gut, meaning that the state of digestion directly influences the body's ability to fight illness, maintain energy, and even regulate mood. A well-fed gut is a strong gut, and a strong gut means a healthier, more resilient body. Without healthy fats in the diet, many fat-soluble vitamins, including the beta-carotene in pumpkin, struggle to be fully absorbed. This is where eggs and pumpkin become the perfect pair. The healthy fats in eggs help the body absorb more of the immune-boosting vitamin A from pumpkin, making the benefits even more powerful. Eggs and apples. At first glance, eggs and apples may seem like an unusual pair. One is rich and savory, the other crisp and sweet, but beneath the surface, their nutrients work in perfect harmony to protect two of the most vital aspects of aging well. Apples are loaded with fiber, antioxidants, and flavonoids that help lower cholesterol, improve circulation, and reduce inflammation. One of the most powerful flavonoids found in apples is quercetin, a compound that has been shown to protect brain cells from oxidative stress, which is a key contributor to age-related mental decline. At the same time, apples provide pectin, a special type of soluble fiber that binds to cholesterol in the bloodstream, helping to keep arteries clear and reduce the risk of heart disease and stroke. The beauty of this pairing doesn't stop there. The combination of protein and fiber is key to maintaining steady energy levels throughout the day. Eggs provide high-quality protein that helps sustain muscle strength and keep hunger at bay, while apples offer natural sugars and fiber that support stable blood sugar levels. Together, they create a meal that fuels both body and mind, without the energy crashes that often come with processed foods or sugary breakfasts. Eggs and cheese. Eggs and cheese provide a perfect balance of protein, healthy fats, and essential vitamins that support aging bodies in remarkable ways. For instance, as we age, our bones naturally lose density, making them more fragile and increasing the risk of fractures. Cheese is an excellent source of calcium, the key mineral for maintaining strong bones. However, many people don't realize that calcium alone isn't sufficient. Your body also needs vitamin K2 to help direct calcium into your bones where it's most needed. Certain cheeses, such as Gouda and Swiss, are rich in vitamin K2, making them an excellent choice for long-term bone health. Muscle maintenance is another significant aspect, as losing muscle mass is a common challenge with aging. This can lead to weakness, balance issues, and a higher risk of falls. Eggs provide high-quality protein and essential amino acids that help maintain and repair muscle tissue, ensuring you stay strong and mobile. Additionally, the brain relies on key nutrients to stay sharp, and egg yolks are one of the best sources of choline, a vital compound that supports memory, cognitive function, and nerve health. Coupling that with the healthy fats in cheese gives you a meal that fuels both your mind and body. Eggs and cheese also offer steady energy levels. Unlike sugary breakfasts that lead to energy crashes, this combination provides a slow-burning source of energy. It keeps you full longer, helps stabilize blood sugar levels, and provides the steady focus you need to tackle your day with confidence. The beauty of this pairing lies in its versatility. You don't have to be a gourmet chef to enjoy the benefits. Simple, easy meals work just as well. By now, we've explored the best ways to cook eggs for maximum nutrition. But there's one more thing that quietly determines whether your eggs remain a health-boosting superfood or lose their benefits. Some oils preserve the goodness of eggs, adding even more health benefits. Others, unfortunately, can create inflammation in the body, damaging cells and accelerating aging. This is one of the easiest changes you can make to improve your health without overhauling your diet. By simply swapping out processed vegetable oils for healthier alternatives, you're making a small choice that can bring big benefits. Let's take a look at 3 of the best oils for cooking eggs: olive oil, avocado oil, and coconut oil, and why they're worth adding to your kitchen. If you've ever wondered why people living in Mediterranean countries tend to have longer, healthier lives, olive oil is a big part of the answer. This golden oil isn't just a kitchen staple, it's one of the most powerful anti-inflammatory foods on the planet. When used for cooking eggs, it adds a rich depth of flavor while actively protecting your health. Think of olive oil as nature's way of keeping your heart strong and your mind sharp. It's packed with monounsaturated fats that help lower bad cholesterol, LDL, and increase good cholesterol, HDL, reducing the risk of heart disease. Studies even show that extra virgin olive oil can protect the brain from cognitive decline, lowering the risk of dementia and Alzheimer's disease. But that's not all. Olive oil is loaded with antioxidants that fight free radical damage, slowing down the aging process at a cellular level. It's a simple, everyday way to care for your body with every meal. Extra virgin olive oil is best for low-heat cooking, such as gently scrambling eggs or making sunny-side-up eggs. If you're cooking at higher temperatures, opt for light olive oil, which has a higher smoke point. If olive oil is the king of heart health, avocado oil is the queen of high-heat cooking. This smooth, buttery oil has one of the highest smoke points, making it ideal for frying eggs while keeping all the nutrients intact. One of the reasons avocado oil is so beneficial is its ability to stay stable at high temperatures. Many vegetable oils break down into harmful compounds when heated too much, but avocado oil holds up, ensuring that your meal remains nourishing. Beyond that, avocado oil is a gift to your joints and skin. Rich in vitamin E and healthy fats, it helps ease joint pain, supports collagen production, and keeps skin hydrated and youthful. It also contains lutein and zeaxanthin, the same powerful antioxidants found in eggs, which help protect your eyes from age-related vision loss. With its light, neutral taste, avocado oil lets the natural flavor of eggs shine while making every bite extra smooth and creamy. Avocado oil is ideal for frying eggs, making crispy omelets, or scrambling eggs at higher heat. It is a great choice if you want a neutral, mild flavor instead of the stronger taste of olive oil. Coconut oil stands out from most other cooking oils because it contains medium-chain triglycerides, MCTs, a unique type of fat that your body quickly converts into energy. This makes it an excellent option for maintaining steady energy levels, staying sharp, and avoiding fatigue. MCTs are particularly beneficial for the brain. They provide a quick energy source that supports mental clarity, focus, and memory function. Research even suggests that these healthy fats can help reduce the risk of cognitive decline and neurodegenerative diseases. Beyond brain health, coconut oil has antimicrobial properties, meaning it can help protect the body from harmful bacteria and viruses. It also promotes a steady metabolism, making it a great option for those looking to maintain energy and vitality as they age. Coconut oil has a slightly sweet, tropical taste that pairs beautifully with eggs, adding a subtle richness to every bite. Coconut oil is ideal for frying eggs or making coconut-infused scrambled eggs. Works especially well with vegetable omelets, adding an extra layer of flavor. When it comes to cooking eggs, the oil you use matters just as much as the eggs themselves. Choosing the right one can mean better heart health, stronger brain function, less inflammation, more energy, and vitality. By simply swapping out processed vegetable oils for olive oil, avocado oil, or coconut oil, you're making a choice that supports long-term wellness. So, next time you prepare your morning eggs, take a moment to think about the oil you're using. With just a small, intentional change, you're giving your body the nourishment it needs to stay strong, feel good, and enjoy life to the fullest.